Feel the shift in the air, the cool breeze, the vibrant leaves. Autumn is here, and with it comes a chance to release, to transform, and to embrace the abundance you've worked for. This meditation is your space to ground yourself in this powerful energy and claim what's rightfully yours. Get comfortable, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Imagine you're walking through a forest alive with the colors of fall. The crisp air fills your lungs, and the scent of earth and leaves wraps around you like a comforting hug. This is your moment to let go of what's been weighing you down and embrace the rich energy of the season. You deserve this time for you, for your power, for your growth. Breathe in deeply, drawing in the cool, grounding energy of fall. Hold it for a moment, then let it go, releasing any tension or negativity. Inhale clarity, strength, and purpose. Feel them flood your body. Exhale doubt, fear, and anything else that doesn't serve your highest self. Let's take 3 more deep breaths together, each one bringing you deeper into this moment, each one cleansing your energy. Picture yourself walking deeper into this forest, where every step lets you shed old beliefs and burdens, just like the trees shedding their leaves. Feel yourself getting lighter with each step, your heart more open, your spirit more free. Ahead, a golden clearing opens up, bathed in the warm light of the autumn sun. There, a harvest awaits, filled with vibrant fruits, golden grains, and every gift you've cultivated through your efforts this year. Take it in. This is your abundance, the rewards of your strength and resilience. Reach out and in your mind's eye, gather these gifts. Feel the power of your achievements filling you up, the warmth spreading through your body. Know that you have earned every bit of this. Every struggle, every triumph, every moment has led you to this harvest. Now repeat these affirmations either silently or out loud, letting them sink into your core, becoming part of you. I release all that no longer serves me. I am grounded, unshakable, and ready to receive. I claim the abundance that flows to me effortlessly. I honor my strength and trust my path. As nature transforms, so do I. Feel these words settle into your bones, anchoring you to the earth, filling you with the confidence and courage to embrace the season of transformation. Slowly bring your focus back to your breath, feeling the steady rise and fall of your chest. Feel your body connected to the ground beneath you, solid, steady, strong. Know that as you move through this season, you carry this energy with you, this sense of calm power and unshakable belief in yourself. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes, knowing that you are grounded, powerful, and ready to welcome everything this season brings. If this meditation resonated with you, please hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to never miss an empowering meditation. Remember, you are unstoppable, and this is your season to thrive.